What's up guys? Welcome to Asian at Home. It's been a while since I did some instant ramen noodle hacks and my favorite tips to how to dress up the instant ramen noodles. And since I'm Korea, I'm going to show you how to make Korean instant noodles the way to, what do you call, like enjoy the max?
Enjoy to the fullest.
Enjoy to the fullest. You see, I have some shopping done, grocery shopping done, and I already bring a small pot of water to a boil. The first one will be spaghetti or jajangmyeon style one. So you can use any jajangmyeon style ramen noodles that you can get where you at. I picked up this one because I never tried it and it's made with chili oil. So I'm like, ooh, it sounds so good. I'm gonna actually try it. The recipe starts by cooking the noodles because everything else is so fast. Let's add the noodles to the boiling water. And meanwhile, I'm gonna heat up my pan to medium heat. And I'm gonna slice my garlic. This chili oil that coming with the package, go ahead and add to the pan. But obviously, this is not enough for what I'm trying to do, so I'm gonna add a little bit more chili oil that I made. Y'all know if you watch my video that I made a couple days ago. Go ahead and add sliced garlic. And then I'm gonna chop little tiny green onions. Add this to the pan as well. And in here, if you like to, you can add whatever protein that you can add, a little seafood like shrimp or pork, minced meat, whatever you like to add, maybe a little crumbled tofu. Things like that. I don't have any, so I'm just gonna skip it, but yeah, do whatever you like to do. And I'm actually gonna chop a little more green onions because I'm gonna make green onion fried egg right on top. It'll be so delicious. Now it's time to add the dry seasoning. And then I'm gonna add actually a little bit of this. It's like a cooking fancy pasta meal at home. Like a little bit of this noodle cooking water in here to loosen up the dry seasoning. And this is it. Our jajang sauce is ready. And finished cooking noodles in the sauce. Ooh, it's gonna be so good! I'm gonna add some cooking oils. Hello. Go ahead and add the chopped green onion. Make a little room for egg right in the middle. You kind of can see where I'm going with this, right? And then crack egg right in the middle. Little salt. Egg is almost done. My noodles are done. Bring a plate.
My heartbeat goes like cosine. 내가 마음에 들면 follow 좋아요 구독.
This is the best spaghetti I've ever made. This green onion fried egg on top is like, where is that? OMG, Jacob, come here.
심장이 멎은 듯한 무궁화 꽃이 폈게 움직일 수 없어, baby. My flowers made in your light, and I'm blooming by your side. You know, I've been waiting for too long.
Oh my goodness, they're so good. The first one was pretty good, huh? All right, the next one is bibimyeon. My sister highly recommended this brand, so I decided to give it a try because I've never tried this one before. All right, so this one also starts by cooking the noodles in the boiling water. Bibimyeon is coming with only one sauce, and the noodles are a lot thinner, which is I love. For this one, you need a little cucumber. Julienne some cucumber for garnish. put it on top. Oh, I love Korean cucumber. They're so pretty. And of course, if you wanna add more cucumber, you can. And you will need kimchi. And you can use whatever kimchi you wanna use or what you have in the fridge. You can use regular nafakabuchi kimchi, but it's summertime. And 열무 kimchi is in season, so I'm going to use 열무 kimchi. You can actually find this at the Korean grocery stores too, very easy. Very popular Korean summer kimchi. There are a lot of fiber in there, so it will help you go, you know, the bathroom. So bring a mixing bowl. I'm gonna add all this seasoning sauce that it came with the noodles. And this is another Korean hack. You squeeze the sauce with chopstick all the way. And in the sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit of kimchi. Drain the noodles and rinse under the cold water since this is cold noodle dish. Add into the sauce mixture, and I hope they have some kind of glove, maybe somewhere here. Yep. Even though it's Airbnb, at the end of the day, this is a Korean kitchen, and Korean kitchen is not Korean kitchen unless you have this. Mix well. The seasoning already have a little sesame oil, but nothing like little extra sesame oil. Mix carefully, especially when you're wearing white shirts. I'm so brave today. I'm actually making bibimyeon, the red sauce, jajangmyeon, the black sauce, and wearing white shirt. This sliced cucumber right on top. One thing I've been loving about Korea, this pre-soft boiled egg in a convenience store. All you have to do is just peel the egg. The dressed up 열무 bibimyeon is done. Woo! Yes. If you do like a little barbecue party, make this. Right there. You need to show that eyes to the camera.
You can't recreate that. I was like,
And look at the camera now. The third recipe is very famous in Korea called bulguri, which means 불닭 and noguri. The recipe is from BTS Jungkook. So this one, you need to measure the water. You need 650 milliliter of water. So this is a 500 meter, probably 1/3 of this water bottle. 불닭 coming with this 2 package. This is sauce package, and this is flake. Put it on top like a topping later. And noguri, I don't know if you know it or not, but Korean noguri is a little special than the ones selling in America, at least what I know. It coming with kombu, piece of kombu. Whenever about noguri very first time in the US, I was looking for this and there is no dashima in it. I'm like, where's my dashima at? Because it's my favorite part, and I quickly find out that this is not included in the American package. So sad, but it is what it is. We're gonna add all of this fire chicken seasoning and half of noguri seasoning. I have only this pot or the super large one, so this is only option right now. Oh my god, I need it.
It's all up to you.
I might add a little too much water, but it's all good. After they cook, they will like more like kinda, what do you call? 자작자작한. Not a lot of soup, but more of like saucy stir-fried noodles kind of consistency.
like the book.
Yeah, something like that. That kind of a consistency. Chop some green onions to putting on topping. Jungkook didn't do this part, but I'm Seonkyoung longest. I needed some kind of green on my food to make me feel a little better about eating instant ramen noodles. You know what I mean? Maybe I added a little more water than I should be because it needs to be a little thicker than this. But I prefer eating my ramen noodles just in the pot. But since I'm making YouTube video, I kind of need to, you know, put it on the plate. And there's another chitki. 치트키를 영어로 뭐라 그러나? This is why everybody going nuts for this recipe. A little bit of wild sesame oil. 들기름 has a really strong fragrance, so little bit goes a long way. If you don't have it, you can just use really great quality sesame oil, but it's a little different though. So you can either buy from Amazon or Korean grocery store. 아, 들기름을 넣어야 되네. If you liked this, my Korean instant noodles hack, how to make all these Korean instant noodles in a different ways to pimp up, please give the video this thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, let me know, comment below, so I know what you guys want to see from me. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas, and this is Asian at home. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys! Bye, guys! Mwah! Oh my god. I'm glad it wasn't on me.
You're my time machine. 널 보니 그때로 돌아가게 돼. 주위 둘러보네. 우린 참 잘 어울렸어. 거짓말 같게는 흔히 날 고백. 우리 미래 속에 잊혀진 고백. 폭대로 펼쳐지는 추억.